Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you link Facebook to Instagram on iPhone. So to link Instagram to Facebook on iPhone, just go to your Instagram app at first. Now click the bottom right your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, click the top right this three dash icon. Now click on Account Center this option. And now click on your profiles. Now here you can see I have already connected Facebook with Instagram. If you haven't connected it, just click on it. And here you can see your Facebook profile. Click on Facebook. Now if your this option is turned off, just turn it on. And after that your Facebook will be linked to your Instagram. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.